Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Esther. So in today's video, as you guys can see from the title, I'll be talking about the top 5 mistakes that small YouTubers make. Yeah, let me just get started. No rambling today guys, no rambling. Straight to the point. The first mistake that small YouTubers make is that they start for the wrong reasons. Most people start to make money, to get famous, or to pass time. That is not the right reasons to start a channel. You have to start a channel in order to add value to someone's life, in order for someone to watch your videos and learn something. If not more than one thing, at least just one thing. They should learn something from your videos. How to make hair, how to be successful, how to make money, how to do whatever. They have to learn something for them to keep coming back to your channel. You cannot just start because you want to make money. Making money is not like that, especially with the new policy now. It's not like that. You have to work hard and work long. You have to put in your effort and your energy and not just start for the wrong reasons. Most YouTubers that you see today, most top people, Jackie Aina, Patricia Bright, they did not start because they wanted money. Go to their channel, check their oldest video. You see 6 years ago, 8 years ago, 10 years ago. It's not something that they just started and they were like, oh okay, bam, they started making money. No, you have to be patient. You have to be patient. The second mistake that small YouTubers make is that they give up too early. I can count at least a decent amount of people that we started together, but now they don't upload anymore because they can't be asked, because it's too much work. They don't have the time. Like, there's no elevator to success. You have to take the stairs, and stairs takes time. Stairs takes effort, it takes energy, it takes everything, dedication, patience. There's no elevator. What I'm saying is that you cannot expect success like this. That's what I'm saying. That's my point. That's the point of this video. Like, I'm just raising awareness of things that you're probably doing wrong. So yeah. The third mistake that small YouTubers make is sub for sub. I'm very sure you've gotten at least 5 comments of sub for sub on your video ever since you started your channel. Sub for sub does not pay. It just adds a subscriber, not because they really like your content. It's just because they want their subscriber count to grow and not really their views. And all that count right now is views, no subscriber count. So, and most of these people, they're still unsubscribe later from your channel. So what's the point? It's just a waste of time. Like, I don't even need to waste my time talking about how irrelevant sub for sub is. The next mistake, did I say that right? Anyways, the next mistakes that small YouTubers make is that they don't promote their channel. If you don't do it, no one else is going to do it for you. I'll link a video somewhere in this video about how to properly promote your channel. If you don't do it, there's nobody else. If you don't ask your viewers to do it for you, they won't do it for you. So you have to ask, you have to promote your channel, promote your stuff, promote your content, promote your videos, your vlogs, your blogs, whatever you do. You have to promote it yourself, else no one else is going to do it for you. So if you don't promote your stuff, how will you grow? That is a top mistake that I see. And the last mistake that small YouTubers make is that they don't put effort in making their content on point. Like, I watch videos that they are just there, like the content is just the quality of the content is just there. It's just like 120p, and that's the lowest. I just lose interest in watching it. Like, at least make sure the lighting is good, make sure the camera setup is great, just make sure you can see yourself while you're filming, because most of these videos, like, they're low lighting. I'm not even interested in watching, but I just have to watch because I have to support people. That is why I watch most of this low quality content. Do not do that. Make sure that your lighting, everything is good and you can see yourself as you're filming. That's what you should do, and not focus on, oh, let me just post something. Make sure your background is presentable. Make sure what you're showing in the frame is presentable. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you guys enjoyed this, smash that like button, and in the comment section below, tell me top mistakes that you've been seeing quite often in the small YouTuber community. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay positive, stay blessed, stay beautiful, stay motivated, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And don't forget to drink water and mind your business. Bye guys.